If a wave travels 625 meters per second through a guitar string from the previous question, what frequency is it producing on the fourth harmonic? Well, we see that the wave is traveling, or it has a velocity of 625 meters per second, and we've just found out that the wavelength was 0.50 meters. We're asking for frequency of the wave, and that's going to be in hertz. So I'll use the wave equation to solve it. I know that velocity is 625, but that equals 0.50 times frequency. In order to get frequency all by itself on the right-hand side, I'll divide by 0.50. Cancel, cancel. Whatever I do to the right, I have to do to the left, leaving me with a frequency of 1,250 hertz.